Exercise 3.2. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions graphically. Question number 1. 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Solution. Let us assume the number of boys be x and the number of girls be y. The total number of students is 10. So x plus y is equal to 10. Take this as first equation. The next sentence is if the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. So y is equal to x plus 4. Take this as second equation. Now take the first equation, x plus y is equal to 10. Now we have to assume x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 10. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 10. The next equation is y is equal to x plus 4. This can also be written as y minus x is equal to 4 or x minus y is equal to minus 4. Here we are assuming x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 4. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 4. Now plot these equations on a graph. The first equation x plus y is equal to 10. We have marked 0, 10 and 10, 0. We got a straight line. The next equation y is equal to x plus 4. We have plotted the points minus 4, 0 and 0, 4. We got a straight line. Now these two lines intersect at one point, that is 3, 7. So these are intersecting lines and it has a unique solution. Now we have assumed boys to be x and girls to be y. So number of boys is 3 and number of girls is 7. The next problem is for homework. The second question is on comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point, are parallel or coincident. Question number 1. 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. These equations are of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Here a1 is equal to 5, a2 is equal to 7, b1 is equal to minus 4, b2 is equal to 6, c1 is equal to 8, c2 is equal to minus 9. Now we know the conditions for the pair of linear equations. So we are writing as a1 by a2 is equal to 5 by 7, b1 by b2 is equal to minus 4 by 6. Now 5 by 7 is not equal to minus 4 by 6. This implies that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. There are three conditions. In that first condition is a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2 gives a unique solution. This means the pair of linear equations intersect at a point. So the other two problems can be worked out using these conditions. Third question, on comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. We know that only the parallel lines are inconsistent. Intersecting lines and coincident lines are consistent. So use the first question is 3x plus 2y is equal to 5, 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. This should be written in the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. So we have written as 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Here a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 2. b1 by b2 is equal to 2 by minus 3. Here again 3 by 2 is not equal to 2 by minus 3. This implies a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Again it is a condition for intersecting lines. So we get a pair of linear equations are consistent. The same type of problem, but it is a fraction. 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y is equal to 7. 9x minus 10y is equal to 14. Again we write in the form 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. 9x minus 10y minus 14 is equal to 0. Here a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 2 by 9. So 3 by 2 by 9. So it is a reciprocal. So 3 by 2 into 1 by 9, it is 1 by 6. b1 by b2 is equal to 5 by 3 by minus 10. So 5 by 3 into minus 1 by 10, reciprocal, is equal to minus 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is not equal to minus 1 by 6. These are intersecting lines, so they are consistent. The next 3 sums are for homework. Same condition should be used for these problems. The fourth question is, which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solutions graphically. This means that if the equations are inconsistent, they are parallel, they don't have a solution. In that case, you cannot solve it graphically. If it is not parallel, if it is either it should be intersecting lines or it should be coincident lines. If they are intersecting or coincident, then you can say they are consistent and you can obtain the solutions graphically. Those who don't have graph note, you can use your classwork, draw the lines in the classwork and plot the points on that.